For Sarawak, we are very open. If a Chinese embrace Islam, we still say, okay, you still maintain your surname while you have your Islamic name. The same with the other races in Sarawak. That's where we have this common platform as long as we can live happily amongst us. I once, mentioned to my friend from West Malaysia, Sarawak, we got no problem with chopstick. Certain areas, the moment dia pakai itu chopstick, dia kata, aduh, masuk Cina sudah. But for us, open. As long as the food is halal. So we go to a Chinese kopitiam, a Chinese there, Malay there, convert, cakap, as a friend. No problem at all in Sarawak. Pakai chopstick, pakailah chopstick. After all, it's just to put things in your mouth. The same with your spoon. So that's the way we behave in Sarawak. And, in Sarawak, we got no issue on Allah, the use of Allah. We got no problem on that. After all, it's just Arabic. And as long as you believe in God and you observe the basic principle in Islam, that is important. Bahkan yang wajib. Yang lain tu sunat lah. Our Prophet used to say, if you want to seek knowledge, you go even to China. And that's what the Prophet said. Why China? Why not Sarawak? Because the civilization in China was that advanced. The printing press was there in China. So technology is in China. So that's why the Prophet encouraged people to seek knowledge in China. Even today, Sarawak also going to China. Our public transport, autonomous rapid system is from China. We bring to Sarawak. And we are working with Huawei in order to establish smart city.